Welcome to 78 Myers Farm Court in Springboro, Ohio. Let's go take a look. This charming brick ranch is nestled on a peaceful cul-de-sac just a stone's throw away from downtown Springboro. As you enter, you will be delighted by the spacious foyer and expansive great room featuring vaulted ceilings, perfect for cozy gatherings. Retreat to your tranquil master suite, complete with a beautifully remodeled bathroom and a convenient walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms share a second full bath, providing ample space for family or guests. Outside, enjoy the serene ambiance of your spacious deck and generous green space, complete with a handy storage shed. Conveniently located just minutes away from all of the local amenities and restaurants, plus with top-rated Springboro schools and quick routes to both Cincinnati and Dayton, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience.